Performio for Sales Compensation Management, a Beginner's Guide. Incentivizing sales teams effectively is crucial for any business's success, and Performio plays a vital role in achieving this. As a leading sales compensation management software, Performio simplifies the process of calculating, managing, and analyzing sales commissions. Designed for businesses aiming to motivate their sales teams while ensuring accuracy and transparency. Performio offers numerous features that make compensation management seamless. This essay serves as a comprehensive tutorial for beginners, guiding them through the essential steps to leverage this tool effectively. Performio is a versatile platform built to streamline sales compensation management. It automates manual calculations, reduces errors, and delivers real-time insights into compensation data. The software capacity to handle complex commission plans ensures an intuitive and efficient experience for both administrators and sales teams. Key features include automated commission calculations, customizable plans, analytics, and reporting capabilities. Integration with various tools and a user-friendly interface. By understanding these features, users can unlock the full potential of Performio. Getting started with Performio. The first step in using Performio involves setting up your account. Start by visiting the Performio website and signing up with essential details such as your name, business email, and company information. Once registered, set up your organization by entering industry specifics, team size, and sales structure. Define the roles of your team members such as sales representative, sales manager, or administrator to assign tailored functionalities. You can then invite your team members and connect Performio to your CRM or other data sources for seamless integration and syncing of sales and performance data. Navigating the dashboard is a crucial skill for first-time users. The dashboard consists of several sections. The Home section provides an overview of sales, performance, and commission summaries. The Plans section allows you to create and manage commission plans. The Data Management tab enables you to upload, update, and review sales data. The Reports section offers access to performance and compensation reports. And the Settings section helps configure account preferences and integration. Familiarity with the sections forms the foundation of using Performio effectively. Next, creating and managing compensation plans. One of Performio's standout features is the ability to create tailored compensation plans. Begin by navigating to the Plan section and clicking New Plan. Enter a descriptive name for the plan and specify eligibility criteria, such as sales roles or individual team members. Define performance metrics, including revenue, new customer acquisition, or product-specific sales, to align the plan with business goals. Next, configure payout rules by selecting structures like flat rate commissions, tiered payouts, or percentage-based plans. Specify thresholds or targets to determine payouts such as 5% commission for sales up to $50,000 and 7% for sales exceeding that threshold. Additional incentives like accelerators and bonuses for surpassing targets can also be added. Once a plan is finalized, save and activate it. Activate plans can be edited as business needs evolve, paused temporarily, or deactivated permanently if no longer relevant. Real-time dashboards help track the performance and effectiveness of each plan. Moving on to managing data in Performio. Efficient data management is a cornerstone of Performio's functionality. To upload sales data, navigate to the Data Management tab and click Upload File. Performio supports formats like CSV and Excel, allowing you to select your sales data file. Map the columns in your file to Performio's data fields, such as salesperson name, revenue, and data. The system automatically validates the data to ensure accuracy and consistency. Once validated, submit the data to make it available for commission calculations and reporting. For users seeking automation, Performio offers options to integrate with CRMs and schedule regular imports. Linking Performio to your CRM ensures real-time data syncing. while configuring scheduled imports saves time and ensures data consistency across the platform. Now, let's talk about calculating and reviewing commissions. Calculating commissions is one of the most critical aspects of sales compensation management. To initiate this process, access the Calculations tab and select the relevant compensation plan and time period. Click Run Calculation to process the data and generate commission results. Review summaries for each salesperson, including earnings, targets, and payouts. To ensure transparency and accuracy, Performio also allows for manual adjustments in case of discrepancies. Navigate to the individual salesperson profile, make the necessary changes, and specify the reason for adjustment. Recalculate commissions to reflect the updates, ensuring the data remains accurate and fair. Next, let's discuss its reporting and analytics. Performio's reporting tools are designed to provide actionable insights into sales performance and compensation trends. To generate reports, go to the Report section and choose from pre-built templates or create custom reports. Report types include commission summaries, quota attainment, and sales performance by region. Customize parameters such as date range, team, or individual sales reps to tailor to the report to your needs. Reports can be exported in PDF, Excel, or CSV formats for easy sharing and analysis. The analytics tool enables businesses to identify top-performing sales reps, analyze trends in quota attainment, and assess the ROI of various compensation plans. These insights help businesses refine their strategies and improve overall sales performance. Next, engaging sales team. Performio transparency fosters trust and motivation among sales teams. Sales representatives can log into their accounts to view real-time updates on their earnings, track progress against their targets, and access detailed breakdowns of their commissions. This visibility empowers sales reps to take ownership of their performance, striving for higher achievements while maintaining trust in the compensation process. Next, let's discuss its integration and automation. Performio seamlessly integrates with various tools to streamline operations. Key integrations include CRM systems like Salesforce and HubSpot, ERP platforms like Oracle and SAP, and data warehouses such as Snowflake and Amazon Redshift. This integration enables businesses to centralize their data and enhance workflow efficiency. Automation is another critical feature, allowing users to schedule recurring tasks like data uploads, commission calculations, and report generation. By automating this process, businesses can reduce administrative workload and ensure consistency across operations. Performio is a powerful and intuitive tool for managing sales compensation by automating complex calculation, offering transparency to sales teams, and providing advanced reporting and analytics. Performio simplifies compensation management for businesses of all sizes. Its user-friendly interface, coupled with robust support sources, ensures that the beginners can quickly adopt and maximize its potential. Implementing Performio enables businesses to enhance sales operations, drive team performance, and achieve financial goals with greater efficiency. Start exploring Performio today and revolutionize the way you manage sales compensation.